Hello, I'm Dr. Jim Chung, Chief Medical Officer at Air Canada. I'm here today to talk to you about our new Air Canada CleanCare Plus program. For those who need to fly, we want to ensure you can fly with confidence. We are introducing new biosecurity standards and enhancing preventative measures to keep you safe throughout your journey with us. While all of us would welcome a single measure that can reduce the risk to the traveling public, we are left to use a combination of approaches to mitigate the risk as far as practical. Since a fever is a common COVID-19 symptom, we have implemented mandatory infrared temperature checks for all customers prior to boarding an Air Canada flight. We view temperature readings as one of the measures to help us meet the government requirement to be vigilant for potential cases. When customers are found to have an elevated temperature, Air Canada will consult with its medical experts before making a final decision. Customers who, after further confirmation and verification, are deemed unfit to travel will be rebooked at no cost, but will be required to obtain medical clearance prior to travel. Temperature checks are conducted using safe, non-contact, infrared devices, which have been approved by many health authorities. We are also strengthening our industry-leading cabin grooming standards with the introduction of electrostatic spraying of cabin interiors. All cleaning products we use, including disinfectants, are effective and fully approved for use by Health Canada. Also, something you should know is that the cabin environment naturally makes transmission of viruses difficult for a variety of reasons, such as frequent cabin air exchanges and HEPA filtration. That helps explain why there's been limited reports of onboard transmission in Canada. For the safety and well-being of our customers and employees, we require all customers to wear cloth coverings or masks over their mouth and nose while at check-in, during the boarding process, and during flight. We will also distribute complimentary hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes to all customers on board all Air Canada and Air Canada Express flights. Air Canada rigorously follows the relevant guidance of all health authorities and follows best demonstrated practices in the prevention and handling of communicable diseases. We believe in putting safety first, always. When you are ready and the time is right, we look forward to welcoming you on board.